This is gonna be your inverted row. For this demonstration, I'm using a set of gymnastics rings, but the principles are gonna be the same, whether you use a barbell, a suspension system, or whatever you got. So all I'm doing from here is I wanna make sure the beginning and the end of the rep are both with the rings touching my chest. I just wanna make sure that each time I'm not shorting myself out of the range of motion as I fatigue out. If I do, say for instance, I'm doing the row, I'm in a nice angle, and then I get a rep here and I'm only able to finish here, it's okay to walk it upwards and finish that range of motion. We wanna make sure we're working through an entire range of motion. If you end up fatiguing out, just scale yourself back so that you can continue to get the full range of motion. As you get stronger, you're gonna be able to do more reps into that deeper range of motion, but sometimes it's just a matter of building capacity. All I'm doing here, palms are gonna be facing up, or I can even start off in a false grip position. That just means that I have basically that inside of my wrist resting on the rings here. Knuckles are gonna be facing each other, and I'm gonna get into a position that I'm able to manage myself and maintain that full range of motion. Another thing to point out, it's not a full range of motion if I'm compensating through my low back and my hips. I wanna make sure I'm ripping my elbows back, I get my chest in contact with the rings, and then I control myself back down. I'm not using momentum to bring myself up. Furthermore, I don't wanna compensate leading with my head. So keep that neck nice and long. As I roll back, get the chest to touch the rings or hands each time. So I'm here, chest on rings, back down, nice and long. Inhale, and then exhale on that way up. Inhale. Make sure when you get to the top of the range, hold for that end range. Hold for about 2 to 3 seconds, really feel the muscles contract, and then control yourself on the way back down. And that's gonna be your inverted row.